Hey, it's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, the only yoga studio where flexibility is not required. And today we're going to look at how to use a yoga block for our Warrior Two and also for our side angle poses. So grab your yoga block, grab a wall, and let's get started. Awesome. So for this, we're going to set the yoga block horizontally, approach the wall, and very gently place the yoga block just under your knee. Not on your kneecap, just under your knee. We just kind of shimmy ourselves forward, and the shin is going to press the block into the wall. And with the rear leg, we just kind of shimmy ourselves into whichever Warrior Two stance works for you. Trying to keep your hips level, spine straight, shoulders square. So this is teaching you to keep the bend in your front knee. If we don't bend enough, the yoga block falls. Right there. You can use this for Warrior Two, although you can't use your front arm, or you can use it for side angle pose. Give that a try. Let me know what you think, and please subscribe, because I'm keeping my beard till we get to 1,000 subscribers, and this thing is driving me nuts, so please subscribe. Thanks.